Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy Fromm with Mercury Security and welcome back to the Mercury Minute. I wanted to talk about impact and impactful things that we use on a daily basis in the access control world that provide a huge impact or benefit to all of us. I recently was with LifeSafety Power and they showed me the new light bar. The light bar goes into the top of the enclosure and it illuminates the enclosure so technicians can see what they're wiring and how to install their Mercury controllers. Such a simple idea, but a huge impact. I want to know, what tools or things do you use on a daily basis in the access control world that provide a huge impact to either you or your customers? Share those down below in the comments. Also, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Mercury Minute. I put all of my content there, including an episode that I shot with Skip over at LifeSafety Power on this light bar. He shows how to install it, he shows that it's motion activated, and gives lots of other great nuggets of data. So make sure you like, follow, and subscribe over there too. That's The Mercury Minute. Stay open and stay secure, my friends. See y'all next time.